Good morning. Well, look how big they have gotten. I am thanking God I put them in this bigger casserole. They're huge. Oh my word. So this is going to be part 3. So here they are. They're almost over the edge. Maybe I can stick that apple bit back in there. I'm about to make my first cup of coffee. And then I'll do some icing. And then we'll go from there. Exciting and yummy. So we're gonna go check on them. Wow, how pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. I have the icing all done. Did a stick of butter, half a stick of butter, about 3 tablespoons of water, maybe a half or 1 cup. You'll just have to, I don't have a strict icing or frosting. I guess you could call this icing because it's just a little glaze over the cinnamon rolls. So butter, vanilla, water, and powdered sugar is all you need. And you just sit there and stir it until it's, you know, kind of a, it's gonna kind of look soupy is the word you'll hear when you see it with this consistency. And then of course with the heat of the cinnamon rolls, all that butter and all that will just kind of glaze over the cinnamon rolls and it'll just be fabulous. So excited. Can't wait. I wanted to show you my first attempt to making everything chocolate covered. I made some leaves and look at this little baby chair. Is that the cutest? And then those are the marshmallows. And then I tried to really make a shoe and the chocolate was too soft. And so the heel of the shoe didn't work out too well, but I wanted to keep the front part to show you it did pretty well. Half of it did well, I guess you could say. And then I was very curious about what an apple covered would look like. And I think it'd be pretty if you like glazed it with red sugar. I think that would be pretty. And then just all the little flowers I made, and that right there is a bottle of, this one right here is a bottle of perfume, and then there's a lipstick. So anyway, I did everything chocolate. Thought that would be fun today on my lovely Munchies ASMR. So catch me over there today. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang with chocolate, everything chocolate. Oh, and there's the slices of apple that I made. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. It was my first attempt to do that. Let's check them again. Oh my. They are looking amazing. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. I'm so thankful I put them in that bigger casserole dish. But I'll get back with you in a little bit. Oh my word, yum. Okay, this is it. I flipped it over. I should have recorded me flipping it over. but I kind of forgot. I know, right, babe? Let me flip it back over and then flip it over. Anyway, oh my goodness, doesn't it look fabulous? So I'm about to put the icing on it, which I can do that. Let me set you up over here for a second. Hold on. Okay, so now I'm gonna ice it, and you'll see what I mean by this will just kind of melt. You're just gonna drizzle it everywhere. Just let the heat of it, just let it all drizzle everywhere. I kind of want to spread it apart too, so it can get all in there, you know. That's what I'm thinking. But doesn't it look good? Oh my goodness gracious. My mouth is watering. Wow. Drizzle, drizzle. Like I said, I think I want to make it where it's where it'll kind of break apart and all this oozy gooziness will get all in there. Because it is supposed to be like, you know, individual little cuts of it. Wow, it is gorgeous. It turned out so well. Isn't it lovely? Oh, I'm so excited. Like I said, my mouth is just watering. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, I so wish y'all could smell it. Man. That is crazy good. It turned out amazing. I'm just, I'm tickled with myself. Wow, I want to run down and go give my daughter one at work. She'll be like, Mama, you did good. Wow. And I kind of, like I said, I kind of want it to be where it's separate. Oh my goodness gracious. It's huge too. I mean, this did so, I could have done something totally different. I probably could have made a loaf of sourdough bread and then this. I mean, oh my goodness. They're huge. Wow. Well, now me, I'm gonna make another cup of coffee and get into my office and start working on more LoveLeigh's videos. But I hope you enjoyed this. I think it was a success. What do you think? Super tickled and excited about it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and this will be part 3. And now I'm going to eat. Maybe I can, where'd my cup of coffee go? I'm going to put some more, drizzle some more icing on it and let it get all in there. And then all in the crevices. Wow. Did good. Did what I needed it to do, huh? Yum. Wow. I'm gonna give Princess a lick. Oh, Lord. Okay. I'm gonna make another cup of coffee. And then that is it. Let me show you what it looks like. Get a pretty bowl out. Get my spatula. I think I want this one right here. Wow. OMG. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, look at the little apple. There's apples all over it. Oh my goodness, I think this was a big success. Oh my goodness. Yay. I love you a bunch, and I will talk to you later. I cannot wait. I'm gonna eat it while it's warm, and I'll be talking to you real soon. I love you. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye for now.